Welcome to Inform, a powerful platform for in-house marketing and business development teams that gives power to your projects and builds team momentum to operate at an efficient and high-powered level. What does your team do exactly? This question is so often asked, but so difficult to answer for the marketing and business development teams of professional services firms. Sometimes it's easier to answer, what don't we do? As former in-house marketing and business development law firm leaders, the Society 54 team recognized the need to be able to both track and report on the wide scope of projects and activities of their teams. By creating the Inform software, we've developed a system to assist internal marketing and business development teams in tracking effort and time, providing quantitative reports, and the ability to spot inefficiencies. The software compiles valuable data to demonstrate various return on investments and is the perfect complement to your current team efforts as it provides real-time views of where the team members are spending their time and energy. Now, let's take a look at Inform. The dashboard layout is extremely clean, easy to navigate, and you can see a visual representation of your team's performance quickly. There are numerous features and information on the dashboard to discuss, so let's start with some of the basics. As your team sets up their profiles, you'll want to have them access the profile link at the top right. In the profile section, each team member can establish their primary roles and responsibilities, as well as information about their office location and practice group coverage. Now, back to the dashboard, where the top bar will indicate numerous progress numbers. Your total points are tallied by the amount of work you put in. 1 hour of work equals 1 point. The messages notification lets you know if a team member has reached out regarding a pending project or a task within a project. Consider this your Inform inbox. The number of tasks indicates the number of big projects that are assigned to the individual, and the to-dos are the incomplete tasks within those projects. These numbers will update in real time as projects progress or complete, and as additional information such as hours worked are logged. The main dashboard is a snapshot of the projects that are relevant to your personal workflow. Inform is broken up into the buckets of business development, communications, and marketing. As you begin or are included in new projects, the projects will be assigned to one of those areas. Within the projects, there will be a subset assigned to each, indicated by the circle chart below. For example, in the business development category, this person currently has 6 open projects, 2 attorney coaching projects, 1 practice industry-specific project, 2 proposals, and 1 client feedback project. As projects flow in and out of your department, you'll be able to notice trends of the types of projects you're spending the most time on. Moving down the dashboard, you will see a couple of bar charts indicating the number of completed tasks by month, showing the ebb and flow of work and the productivity month by month. The chart on the left will show your personal progress by month, while the chart on the right shows the overall team progress. This helps track where there are slower months and more productive months. The calendar view on the right allows you to quickly see when there are milestones, due dates, or important events with the use of the yellow circle on certain dates. The badges section is for gamification of project and task completion, and the spotlight section is a quick get-to-know you about your team members. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see a quick link to the dashboard from wherever you are on the site. Underneath, you will notice each of the 3 main sections, business development, communications, and marketing, all have expand capabilities. This allows you to look at the individual dashboard for that section or the full list of pending projects. Let's take a look at the business development dashboard, for example. Up at the top, you'll see the 4 subsections listed with the relevant open project count for each. To create a new project within any of these subheadings, simply click the Create button. For this demo, we'll look at creating a new proposal. This is where you will populate as much information as you can to provide full detail of the proposal being created. You can create a project name, identify what type of pitch it is from the drop-down menu, and select the attorneys involved from a pitch lead standpoint. As this list is populated for your firm specifically, you can either scroll the list of names or start typing in the blank space to go directly to an attorney's name. To select multiple lead names, hold down Control or Command and select the other attorneys to be listed as primary contacts. The Notes section is a free-form space that lets you add in personal notes or details about the pitch. Then, you'll select the practice group that this pitch will tie to. This is extremely important when pulling analytics reports so that you can see if a particular practice group is dominating the time of the team. Next, select what office is primary, who the company being pitched is, what industry they fall into, and the contact name for the client. From there, continue adding critical information below. Most importantly, you will want to ensure your team is tracking time allotted to all projects and tasks in order to produce accurate reports on the back end. You can also assign the project to another team member, which is a feature that many of our clients have used and found as a benefit. If you'd like to attach a file relevant to the pitch, such as the original RFP document, you can attach the file here. You can also add it to your team calendar by clicking the box, and if it's a private project or a confidential client, select Is Private, then Create. If you would like to see the full view of all of the projects your team is working on within one of the 3 main project types, click on the list of items in the menu bar. You will see all current projects, due dates, company, current responsible team member, attorney, who owns the project, current to-dos scheduled, and % completion. Each column is sortable if you would like to view the content a bit differently. As you may have noticed to the left of the category column, there are 2 icons that indicate that these particular projects are currently overdue. This could cue a conversation with the project lead and current responsible team members to ensure that they have the appropriate time and support to get the project back on track. To the right of each project are a handful of icons to take particular note of. The green icon can be selected to mark the project finished. The red icon will delete the project from the list. And the envelope icon lets you send a calendar appointment to add to Outlook. The icon to pay close attention to is the blue edit icon. This functionality will be important when adding updated time allotted to the project. Click the blue icon to open up the project profile. Once inside, you will see the initial information inputted when the project was set up on the left. On the right, you'll now see a comment feature to update the team on notes or task completion and pass off when you've finished your part. The audit section is critical as you can track everyone's time spent working on the project. As team members complete a task and update their time, this column will populate when it was updated, by whom, and what time was added. The to-dos section offers a great synopsis of what all has been done for that project and what's still left to be accomplished. You can also quickly add new to-dos to the queue of project management. Never again will you have to wonder about the status of projects or the valuation of your team. Inform provides all the answers quickly, seamlessly, and powerfully. For more information about implementing Inform at your firm to create a new level of efficiency and accountability around team projects, please contact any member of our team at Society 54. We are here to take care of your needs to help your team operate as smooth as possible. Thank you.